Hi everyone. Now Monday, November 17. Now we in the San Fernando Pampanga. It's about 30 minutes from Angeles City. We going to SM Pampanga just only for walking and eat also. We're going to eat and show to you also SM Pampanga and the route in SM Pampanga. In advance, thank you for watching. This is entrance, backside entrance. This is smoking room. Take a look. This is who want to smoke is a smoking room here. And here you can buy second-hand cars also. Shaira, do you want to walk with me now or eat first?
Sing.
Karaoke game. Okay, let's go. Let's go to Shaira want karaoke first. So you're not hungry? Usually you hungry and you say to you, I want to eat first.
Because we go to walk first.
No, for me walk, not problem also. Good afternoon. Oh, Christmas decorations, so many. For children also. Kids fun box. Bakery. And of course in Viking restaurant so many people right now. Usually so many people. Take a look. They waiting right now entrance to the restaurant. Yeah, many people waiting in the before entrance. Very popular restaurant. Christmas tree. Oh, good. And now discount from November 13 to 16. 50% share. I wear jacket because Sam always called for me. What Shaira are you doing with your phone? Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. Good. And we walk now to karaoke. Chili's also popular here. Many people in Chili's. PacSafe, good, I like PacSafe. Casio. Oh, Builders. Korea #1 premium chicken. Where is? I don't know where it's premium chicken in Korea #1. Shaira, do you know where Korea #1 premium chicken?
All chicken are normal.
Okay. Arrow. Yeah, Arrow also good. Before I bought one jacket from Arrow. It's Philippine brand. Local brand. Crocs also. Popular Crocs in Asia. This entrance to SM store. This one, this is sales. 50%. How much? For example, this bag before 1,600, now 795. So 50% all bags. What 1.5? One by.
I want
Yes.
that's why so many people in SM Clark also. That's buy one take one.
Yes, maybe because in SM Clark also so many people, because it's discount now. Okay. Yeah, discount.
Looking for what is this?
Hi?
For Christmas because have Christmas.
Sale, Christmas sales right now. Okay. Oh, in Nassau. Take a look, so many people now waiting in Nassau.
More people in what is this? In SM Clark.
SM Clark, yes. Yesterday I tried to park in SM Clark. I cannot find free space. Even drive. It's 7:30. I try to drive in SM Clark. And I park car in the Choking. And I just want to video to Hansonville. Long time I not been in Hansonville. Empty Hansonville. So many people here. It's now Monday. It's not a weekend. Monday and so many people. Outside in the jeepney terminal also many people. People waiting jeepney because some of people live in Angeles City, work in Pampanga or work in San Fernando, or who live in the San Fernando work in Angeles sometimes. Mazda car, Mazda CX-8, Kia also, Kia Sonet. Music, copyright music. Greenwich. Available space on Greenwich, but we will go to the food court first. Shira already know where is karaoke. Oakley have sale. Okay, later I will check what available now. This one karaoke hub. One hour, 30 minutes. Here 100 peso. 2 microphones. Shira will sing song here, but I will walk in the SM Pampanga. Maybe. How long time Shira you will stay here?
Finish. 5 songs only.
5 song. 5 song. How many minutes? Okay, 5 song. Only 5 song. Playground for children. Tom's World. And I want to go to Cyber Zone. I want to check DJI. But of course I will buy not now. I waiting DJI Action 6 camera. Maybe I will buy Nano, but I don't know. Sensor is small for nighttime is not good. Drones not interesting for me. I have drone, not use. And this one DJI Action 5. This is new model, but tomorrow I waiting DJI Action 6. Price. This is price list. And DJI Nano. No, DJI Nano good camera, small, very small. You can use without with screen. I don't know, maybe I will buy. Cafe Clara also here have. Oh, Telesin is also good brand. I like Telesin. Yeah, I have this one. Already have black color.
For the neck now.
Yeah, I have this one, but it's new model already have.
Open zero.
It's good. Black color. I asked about DJI Nano. They said not available. Available only next week. And maybe available also DJI Action 6. They said maybe. And this is Power Mac Center. Here have also iPhone 17 and also 17 Pro. How much 17 Pro? 17 Pro 79,000, about 80,000 peso. 80,000 peso. Excuse me, available 17 Pro or not?
Pro Max, sir.
Only Pro Max, no, Pro.
Yes, sir.
Available already here?
Orange and blue color.
Orange and blue. Silver don't have.
Don't have yet.
Don't have yet, okay. Singapore model and Hong Kong model.
Yes, sir.
From Singapore? From
Singapore.
Singaporean,
Yes.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Limited color.
Yes, thank you. I bought silver color in Hong Kong. Silver color is, I think, better because red color is orange color. I don't want. Burger King. Also popular in the Philippines. Fruit tea. Tiramisu. Or tiramisu, how to say, I don't know. I don't know how much here tiramisu. Classic 200 peso. Matcha 220 or 210. Oreo 215. It's good. Maybe we will try tiramisu. So many. How much is car? You can see price. It's good. New Chinese car, good looking. Not problem open, no? Not problem. Electric or gas?
Hybrid.
Hybrid. Hybrid is good. Power seats. All automatic window, it's good. Big screen, it's about 12-inch. Sunroof. It's good car with sunroof. Its door is heavy. And look inside. It's only 5 seats. 5 seats. It's not power door. Power door. 5 seats only.
5 seats.
7 seats don't have?
We have, but bigger than this.
Bigger. Okay. 5 seats also good. 220 have also.
There's only 5 seaters.
5 seaters. But big trunk is okay.
It's the battery.
Battery inside, okay. That's good. And how much this price now for this car?
For the 4x2, it's only 1.488. That's the discounted price.
We've discounted already.
Yeah.
1.88.
For the
Okay.
4x4, it's 1.780.
But if cash, have discount if you
That's the cash price.
cash price.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
okay.
1.488 is for cash or bank.
Okay, okay. This is car from China, yes?
China.
Or manufactured in the Philippines?
No,
Because I
China.
see Bacolod.
China made. So they imported the car from.
Imported car, not
Yeah.
not made in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for information. It's good car. Price start from 1.8 or 1.4 million. It's good. Good car. Chinese car now is very good already. New car. So noisy. It's Shira inside. I can hear Shira from maybe from long distance. I can hear your voice, Shira, from far.
Really?
Yes. From main, what is not main road, I don't know how to, in center of SM Pampanga. Yes, I can hear. Yes, so far, you see. Maybe 50 meters, because we open door. That's why I can hear you.
So my voice is big.
Big, big. Shira want Greenwich. So you want Greenwich?
Yes.
Pizza?
Because in food court, so many people there.
Can we check first food court? So many people or not? And later come back to Greenwich later. Video bank. Now we're going to the top to food court. Take a look, Shira. Yeah. Cinema.
No, it's not cinema.
Not cinema?
You can go there, it's like good view.
I don't know.
Popular right now.
Popular? Okay. Food court, not so many people, Shira, so many tables available. So it's better. Yes. I want to see Christmas tree, decoration. Information. Have people, but not so many now. But time now 6 p.m. Bulalo 250 available or not? Shira, can you ask Bulalo available or not? This one. Okay, Bulalo. Bulalo it's more better than another for me. But why put coins with salt?
For Chinese
Salt?
It's not.
Luck? But salt, why put salt inside?
Drinks, not big.
No, no, not need drinks. Oh, Shaira bought. What you bought, Shaira?
Lemon.
Gulaman. Without ice? It's good. This is gulalo. Take a look, some many meat. And here, gulalo only 250 peso. See. Total I pay here 364 peso for us. This is Shaira, this, what is this?
Pinakbet.
Huh?
Pinakbet.
Pinakbet? Pinakbet, interesting name. But what is vegetable?
That's vegetable with eggplant, with the feet, pumpkin, pesos.
How much this?
89.
89 peso only, but this is 250.
But this one, 250, it's so big already.
Yes, I give to Shaira also because it's I don't want it so much. Remove bed from the table. It's not good table and we put in the floor, chair. Yes. May I have mini donuts also? Okay, that's it. We're going to Sky Ranch right now from SM Pampangas to Sky Ranch. Sky Ranch. No. Also, it's ticket. I think it's karaoke. It's tickets. So we're going to Lake Shore now, yes? Lake Shore. Lake Shore Pampanga. Dunkin' Donut for you. We're already in the Lake Shore, Pampanga. Here many buses also park and cars. Shaira won't go to McDonald's. What you want buy in McDonald's, Shaira?
Ice coffee.
Ice coffee. Ice coffee chocolate?
Yes.
Okay. Shaira, you can buy ice coffee chocolate. I want walk little bit and take video, okay? Wait me near car. Tokyo, Tokyo. Before we also eat in Tokyo, Tokyo here, good. This drive-through McDonald's. Coffee to go. Many souvenirs you can buy. Like cake also. Bukayo. Cassava cake here. This is cassava cake. Oh, this one. This is cassava cake. You see price. Even 100 peso for 100 you can buy. This for 100 small. This is budget. Excuse me, this is small? This one? I should busy chat with someone. It's good place here. You can buy what you want. Yeah, people going from the buses. Yeah, a lot touristic bus. Gas station. Oh, I see Shaira already bought ice coffee, chocolate. So you like this one?
Strong.
Strong coffee? I think it's not strong. So let's go to home. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.